Hi everyone. Today let's talk about acinic cell carcinoma of salivary gland. So the term acinic comes from the acinar cells. So if we look into the salivary gland, it is made up of acinar cells which are arranged in clusters forming an acini. So if we zoom into one acinar cell, it is roughly polygonal in shape and has granules. These granules are Zymogen granules, which is pass positive and diastase resistant. So these type of acinar cells are seen in salivary glands, more commonly in the parotid, but also they are seen in submandibular as well as minor salivary glands. Acinar cells are also seen in pancreas. Over there they are called pancreatic acinar cells. So when the acinar cells undergo neoplastic transformation, it gives rise to acinic cell carcinoma. So in acinic cell carcinoma, we will see bundles and sheets of these acinar cells. So acinic cell carcinoma is a low-grade malignant tumor and it is composed of these acinar cells which are abundant basophilic granular cytoplasm. So now when we look into the IHC and genetics of this, I have created a picnomic. So basically I have taken one acinar cell which is polygonal in shape and made it look like a dog. Why? Because in IHC, acinic cell carcinoma, it is DOG1 positive. So we know that DOG1 is discovered on GIST and therefore it is seen in GIST and it is also seen in acinic cell carcinoma. The second IHC is SOX10. So this dog is wearing socks, which will help us remember that SOX10 is also positive in acinic cell carcinoma. And the DOG1 positivity is membranous and cytoplasmic. Also, this dog is salivating, which tells us amylase is positive. So we have DOG1 positive, SOX10 positive, and amylase positive. Now coming to the genetics. This dog does not have a name. The dog is non-registered. So this NR that is non-registered will help us remember NR4A3. So NR4A3 is the cytogenetic abnormality in acinic cell carcinoma. So let us revise. So acinic cell carcinoma of salivary gland arises from the acinar cells. These acinar cells have Zymogen granules which are pass positive and diastase resistant. And when they undergo neoplastic transformation, it gives rise to a low-grade malignant tumor called as acinic cell carcinoma made up of sheets of acinar cells. This acinic cell carcinoma is DOG1 positive, SOX10 positive, amylase positive, and the cytogenetics is NR4A3. So when you see an acinar cells next time, remember the dog's face, remember the IHC, DOG1, and remember that the dog is wearing socks, so SOX10 and NR4A3. That's about it.